G'day guys, my name's Nick and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a real quick one on how to reset your Holden Colorado service light. So what we want to do is just turn our ignition on, and we're going to use the buttons on the little indicator stalk here to navigate through the menu. So we'll just hit menu there, and then we'll go through to the car. So we'll hit menu again to get to the vehicle up here, and then we're going to twist and get through to remaining oil life. And then what we want to do is just hold down the end of the stalk here, and then scroll up and then hit the end of the stalk. Yes, we want to reset it, and then that'll go through the reset. So you can see now it's been reset to 100%, and now we'll just do an ignition cycle and start the vehicle. And you can see that our oil light has now been reset and the oil life is now at 100%. So that's perfect. So there you go guys. If this video helped you reset your oil life or oil service light, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.